If you suspect that your PayPal account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the PayPal login page. Go to the official PayPal website and click on the login button. If you cannot access your account, look for the "Having trouble logging in" link. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password option. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your PayPal account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. Step 5. Review account activity. After regaining access, review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to PayPal immediately through their resolution center. By following these steps, you can successfully regain access to your PayPal account and ensure its security. Always remember to enable two-factor authentication for added protection in the future.